Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change default browser in your Windows 11 PC. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this your Windows 11 PC, or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, and now you are wondering how to set default browser. You might be want to set default browser Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or other third-party browser. So in order to do that, in this time Windows 11 makes some little bit complicated to changing or set default browser in your Windows 11 instead of Microsoft Edge to any other browser. So let me share it to how you can change your browser. In order to do that, you need to click here start menu, and then you need to click here settings. After click over settings, you need to click here apps. After click over apps, in right side you're going to find here something say default apps. After click over default apps, we're going to type here our Microsoft, for example, you can type here Chrome. Let me type here Chrome, and then we're going to find here Google Chrome. And now if you want to change or want to set Google Chrome your default browser, you need to just choose all of them. By default, in this time, before there was only one system, but in this time all this make by each format they made a different select browser. By default, all these formats going to be open with Microsoft Edge. So first of all, if you want to change your default browser to Google Chrome, you need to just choose on it, and then you need to see all the browser apps available in your system. All those lists going to be appear. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I choose here Google Chrome, and then I click here OK, and then you're going to see in my Windows 11, if any format is .html format, all those going to be open with Google Chrome. But still this .html, .pdf, .html, .svg, or all this going to be open with Microsoft Edge. But if you want to completely change all of them, you need to choose one by one and choose the default or favorite or web browser you want to make them. Those file or those format link, let's open with your favorite web browser. So within this way you can easily change web browser or set default web browser in your Windows 11 PC. But you can see I had successfully changed most of them, and you can easily change one by one from here. You can see I had successfully changed. So from now, any link if I try to open, those going to be open with Google Chrome. But still, if you go this widget and try to open any link, all those going to be open with Microsoft Edge. Any link for related with Microsoft or Windows 11, all those going still if you try to open, all them going to be open with Microsoft Edge. So within this way you can easily change your default web browser in your Windows 11 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.